I tried so hard and got so far. In the end, it's just a bot system. Hey, what's up, guys? I don't like making these kinds of videos, but I felt like I needed to give you guys a quick update. So last video I talked about the demonetization of my channel, and I asked you guys to help me get YouTube's attention and encourage them to take a second look. Well, as predicted, all I got was an automated response. Obviously, this is pretty depressing and just another example of YouTube not caring about its creators. And to have all of your content labeled as not original and auto-generated, quite frankly, it's just insulting. But this experience isn't wholly defined by YouTube's incompetence. There's also something positive that came out of it. And it was you guys. I mean, look at all this. That is absolutely crazy. The amount of support I have received from this is far more than I could have ever expected, and it's clear that many people got my back on this. Simply put, your impact has been far stronger than any impact YouTube and its impersonal bot system and algorithms could ever have. So I just wanted to say thank you. Now that we got all that fluffy stuff out of the way, I want to make it clear I'm not going anywhere. I'm still going to keep making videos. And during this process, other creators have reached out to me and given me some suggestions on how to fix this situation, which, to be honest, most of them are pretty devastating. But I'm not giving up on this, and I'm sure I'll figure something out eventually. So I promise this will be the last of these kinds of videos. We will move on to brighter times, and I should have a normal video coming out pretty soon. So make sure you turn on those notifications. Thanks again, everyone, and I'll see you next time.